we produce and deliver over 6,000 meals every day. And the majority of those meals go to our Head Start families and also older adults who have no other means to get food. So I'm Christine Smith. I'm the Senior Director of Nutrition Services for Neighborhood House Association, also a registered dietitian. And Neighborhood House Association has been serving the local community here in San Diego for more than 100 years. So for our meal deliveries, we use Cambro carts that are primarily heated on top and ambient on the bottom. So we preheat our hot units on the top portion while food prep is happening in our kitchen. So while our cooks are preparing all the hot meals and getting the food ready for deliveries, our Cambro units are being preheated so that when we put the Cambro pans in there, there's no drop in temperature. And then in the bottom portion, where there's no heat control or cool control, we put Cambro chem chillers in there to pre-chill the units before we put the cold food in there. And then during delivery, the hot unit stays hot and it's plugged in when we get to the sites, and then we offload the cold food into a refrigerator when we get to the sites. Having a unit that is hot on top and chilled on the bottom is really helpful to us because it allows us to streamline operations in the morning. So between the hours of 4:30 and 7:30 a.m., that's our dinner rush time. And we're rushing to get all the meals ready and loaded into carts and then getting our drivers out on the road. So having a cart that will automatically preheat and pre-chill the units without any extra labor going into adding chem chillers or any other type of element into the cart is really beneficial, and it saves us a lot of time in the morning, and we can redirect that labor to other parts that need attention. So it's a big streamliner for us, and we could also leave that cart on site if we wanted to when we make the deliveries, because that way we don't have to transfer any food over into a different warmer or a different cooler. Everything can stay right there in the cart with no transfer. My favorite feature of that new unit is the chilled bottom section, because with other carts that we have, they don't have the ability to be controlled with temperature like the way this one does. We could always use a chill, ice pack or a chem chiller, but this way we know that we can plug the unit in and the ice isn't going to melt or nothing's going to happen. It's going to stay chilled for the whole time that we need it to be until we unplug it. So having the electrical capability in the bottom unit with the chilled section is really a time saver. I can't say enough good things about Cambro. We love Cambro, and I don't see us using any other type of product. It is our number one.